Hello. In this scenario that I've created on anything, it's basically watches for a new trigger on your spreadsheet, and based on that triggers, it carries, it's based on that trigger, it carries out series of actions. So I'm going to show the spreadsheet so I can explain better. So the automation is set to watch for this status column. So by default, every status is meant to be on pending. So anytime we change this to in progress, the agent is going to trigger and select this and it's going to trigger this action. So what I want to achieve with this automation is that anytime I change status to in progress, it sends it sends out an email to request for the ID from a particular user, and the user gets the email and it responds with the ID, then it updates on the spreadsheet. So here on the spreadsheet, once the user enters the ID, it fills here, it writes the ID here, then it changes this status to done by itself, then also inputs the time and date that this action was completed. So let's try this out in action. So let's say it's on in progress, then I execute workflow. So it has sent an email. So this is what the email looks like. Okay, request for you in credit about input your ID. So once I click on respond and let's see, enter 0007, then submit. Okay, then we see that our workflow is completed. Once we come to our spreadsheets, we can see that 7, then date and time was completed. This is now done. So basically, this is how we can use anything, to watch for a new rule and perform action based on that trigger. Thank you.